I got Happy Mail, yay! And this is coming all the way, well, there's no, it says by airmail, and that says Netherlands. So I'm so excited. I haven't gotten Happy Mail in a long time. And her last name is Dryver. I think that's how you say that. Dryver, sorry. I went to the dentist today and went to my mailbox on my way home. I have waited a little while. Okay, let's see how we can open this. For my face to get less numb, but I still am talking funny. So, I don't want to cut anything. Hopefully, I didn't. Okay. This is so exciting. I'm going to have to save the postage stamp. Lots of fun spring napkin. Oh, it says Happy Easter. That's cute. Is it stuck on purpose? Okay, stuck on purpose. Little post-its. That's so cute. I like how that, I like the envelope. That's cute. Oh, so much fun. Did you send this around Easter? Happy Easter. Oh, some tea. None of it's in English. Is it tea? Or is it seeds? It's got a cup on it. I can see inside. It's a tea bag. So, this says she saw my, I'm guessing she saw my haul video and sent me some fun things for Easter. That is so sweet. She lives at Netherlands. I'm guessing that's the Netherlands. I've been to Amsterdam. I think that's sad. Terrible. I need a map. Okay. Originally she was a flower arranger. Oh, I love flower arranging. And now she does social work. Her hobbies. She lists her hobbies. Sorry, my eyes aren't good, and this glittery pen is really cool. I don't know what CREA is. Corresponding, nature. I love walking around in nature, but I'm not very good at yard work or even maintaining our garden. And of course, my favorite thing to do is paint and play with art supplies. And stuff I shouldn't be doing, like shopping. Oh, looky, I've got some clippies. Ooh, and I love brie. Is that brie? No. That is a pie, a cream pie. Ooh. Cute, cute little clippies. All gardening. I'm going to have to do a garden theme. It is the time of year to be working outside. I think we're done with snow finally. Now that looks very familiar, Amsterdam, to me. These are all so cute. Alright, I've been doing Happy Mail challenges with the Happy Mail that I've gotten in the past. So I might have to make me a little tea and think of something to create with my little Happy Mail. And I want to thank you so much. That was so sweet. I just love getting Happy Mail. So I will create something. Okay, so I confirmed. Hopefully nobody saw that. That is your address. And I was actually at the Delft factory in The Hague last July. So I was really close. So that was really nice, and I will come up with something and do one of the little challenges with this and maybe create a card and send it off to you. Thank you so much. Okay, that took me a minute to decide on the 5 items. I've got a few extra there too, just because I'm not quite sure what I'm gonna do. But I think I've got it down now. So we're gonna use the fruit, the cream pie, the fruit pie or tarts, the candy, the bow, and the napkin or paper towel. I don't know, it's really thick. And I grabbed a couple of scraps, or I'm grabbing a couple of scraps to add to it. And I haven't worked in my Dilutions journal for a little while. I've only done a few pages actually in that book. So I thought we might as well use it. Okay, so I'm using Dina Wakley's paint, and this one is lemon. And I just want to get some color on there. And I was thinking ground and sky. Yes, the yellow is the ground and the blue is the sky. Is that weird? The little blended area in between ends up being a little bit green. Who says this is my painting? I can have the ground and the sky be any color I want, right? So I felt like I needed to put a little green in there, so I'm just going to stencil some green, and I think the color she calls that one is lime, and the blue was called turquoise, by the way. And so now I'm going to incorporate that napkin, and it is really thick, and it doesn't have the layers, so I'm being really generous with the matte medium to get that stuck down. And I want to add it in a few places. I don't want it just in one spot. So we're going to add it in a couple more spots. And to spread it around, yep, my yellow is going in my sky. No, that's not the sun. That's still ground. Just kidding. It's whatever your imagination wants it to be. And I just got this, it's cheddar from Dina Wakley. I've been eyeing it. I've seen a lot of paintings with it, and I've wanted it really bad, so I picked some up and had to use it because this is my first time using it. Alright, so we are turning that fruit tart plate into a flower. And we're going to turn the cream pie into a flower. And same with I think that's like a chocolate with drizzle on it, right? Anyway, they're all becoming flowers, and I'm going to use this, I don't know, it came out of a magazine rather than actually from the hardware store, but it's the same sort of thing, right? It's color sample. Color's a little off, but we'll fix that. And down with more Liquitex matte medium to glue the flowers on. Okay, that one might have been a little too generous. There we go. Now, the matte medium creates a surface a little bit different than the paint, so it's noticeable. So I am just going to cover everywhere so that it evens out everything. So it all looks the same matte. Alright. So once that's dry, I'm pulling out some scribble sticks, and this one is, I think it's burnt umber. I think it's just called umber. And trying to drawing on that napkin was not that easy. I didn't want to take the color. And I'm just making them scribbly little flowers. Add a little little black just to make that stem stronger. Alright. I pulled this out fully intending on using the butterflies and saw the bee and I'm like, oh, I want a bee with all this yellow. And then I wipe it off because I was going to put it away and then I'm like, I want bees everywhere. Now this one I stamp and forget that the book is not level on the ground, so I'm trying to get that one to stamp correctly. It's a little smudged, but it'll be okay. It's just a journal. It's not, you know, going anywhere. Alright, so we got our bees on there. And these are Dina Wakley stamps. Yes, it's all Dina Wakley today. And that went with the bee, so that's why I had to use that quote. I'm just adding a little bit more of that cheddar to the flowers because those centers didn't quite look right. And we'll give a little cheddar. I didn't want to do yellow. A little bit of cheddar to the bees. Oh, I have to use my 5th item. So here is the post-it, and I'm just putting the Happy Mail and who it's from and the date. Okay, yeah, I created the piece a lot later than when I went and picked up the mail. I promise it didn't sit in the mailbox that long. But these are fun Happy Mail challenges. If you want to challenge me, send me some Happy Mail. Okay, that wasn't a plug or anything. My address is below, though, if you want. If you want to send me something funky and have me try and make a page out of it, I dare you. Because I kind of like how this page turned out. I don't know about you, but it's bright and happy and fun and perfect for summer. And this is just Ranger Archival around the edges, just to kind of frame it. Well, I hope you liked this video. Thank you so much for the Happy Mail. If you did like this video, please hit like, feel free to share, comment, and if you'd like to see more from me, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.